today is good friend West Haggard. This flight story West is a corporate.
Now there's something you don't see every day. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the rare examples of a still airworthy flying F6F-5 Wildcat. It's called along for you. It's the Grumman F6F Hellcat that's about to take off. Here it comes, folks. This is a real piece of flying history. There's just not that many of them flying anymore. Take a look. Midway and Hornet at the Battle of Santa Cruz. No actual cage is still in existence. This is actually a replica built in 1969 for the movie Torpedo. Here's what it does. It combined the airframe with North American SMJ-4 in 1960 installed. The mover is torpedo underneath. Oh, they're on forgot right now. Watch this. The plan that would have prevented the attack on Pearl Harbor, published in 2006. Screenplay of the same name was important to the movie. Alan Armstrong is flying the Kate. It's a big aircraft, big for fighter, weighing in over 12,000 pounds, fully combat loaded. At top speed, get this, of 440 knots. Let's watch it catch up to the Kate.
Scott, Hellcat pilots are so talented in so many ways. During wartime, they achieved an amazing kill ratio, downing 5,156 enemy aircraft in just 2 years, accounting for, get this, 75%.
All right, up till now, the Hellcat, the Kate has eluded the Hellcat. You haven't seen any smoke, have you? No? Okay, well, we'll see what happens this time.
Are they yellow like a banana? Oh, maybe that's it.
Okay, looks like he might have hit. He got a hit. And the Hellcat moves in to finish off the gate. Get higher end weapons built and up and running during World War II. And the Mustang, it went from paper to flying in just a matter of months. And a lot of people credit the Mustang, at least for turning the tide of the war in World War II, at least in the air. Part of that was being able to escort the bombers a little bit further, so they were not easy pickings for the Luftwaffe.
The design philosophy allowed a pilot to become proficient in a very short period of time. That was easy to operate from a carrier that could outperform the enemy.
I wish I had that engine.
The speed and the grace.
Man. Just sounded like he was idling as he went by, didn't he? At 440 knots, I mean, that's lot of speed. A lot of speed for a prop plane. Now I'll do a presentation about what I have avoided in World War II, at least as far as the Pacific theater was concerned. Make sure you get the chance to catch up with them when you ever lectures and plan. Okay, here comes the Hellcat. That engine just sounds so much like one of my favorite airplanes, the Sea Fury. Big brute of an airplane with a huge engine. We're glad you're here with us at Neighbor Day. Scott Slade here from WSB Radio, along with my friend and colleague, Smiling Martin McKay. Is the FM-2Wildcat. It's actually an improved version of the famous Grumman F4F-4. Do a little mosquito control while we're at it. There's the Hellcat, and you see the Wildcat on the downwind. Hey, folks. Thanks, buddy. Nice job. That FM-2, the Hellcat that just went by, was modified to include an improved power plant, increased ammunition capacity by reducing its armament from 6 50 cal guns to 4, and it improved your left. Here comes the Hellcat. That aircraft carries the marking. Yeah, that was pretty.
Certainly hope you're enjoying what is turning out to be just a beautiful Saturday here in DeKalb County, Chamblee, Georgia. Great to have you with us. You're the family. We're around it. See all that's to be seen.
Okay, folks, get your video going.
Aircraft for the war, the auto manufacturer quickly turned three idle auto plants in Tarrytown, New York, Trenton, New Jersey, and Baltimore, Maryland into aircraft plants that would augment the production of both the Integer and the F6F-5 Wildcat. The transformation yielded a combined total of more than 35,000 aircraft by the end of the war.
You're watching History Fly today, the 80th anniversary of Naval Air Station Atlanta here at Dekalb Peachtree Airport. This is actually the 3 fixed-wing, 1 helicopter fixed-base operator and hosts 125 aviation-related tenants. 590 aircraft of all sorts of types are based here on the field. It is an economic engine. Nice job from our rare warbirds again today. There comes the Hellcat, taxiing in, followed by the Wildcat. Great to see them fly. Struck airfields and fuel depots near Pyongyang. "827 Sky Raiders returned stateside to take up a training role with the U.S. Marine Corps after the Korean War. Post at Marine Corps Air Station Series Point near New Bern, North Carolina.